इमोशंस में बह जाती हूँ. I mean, when I am seeing one act happening, I see myself doing it with them. Yeah, physically वो नहीं है, but mentally somehow I am right next to them.
Still in a learning process, you learn through the students also.
Of course, yeah, every day is a learning process. In fact, every minute is a learning process. Anything new that you can acquire, which you can, apply it in your day-to-day life, it is a learning.
But this is for a cause also. And by the end of the day, when you go for an event where you support something for a cause, how do you really feel like
It's a very feel good factor. मैं यहाँ पे झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी. अच्छा लगता है कि I mean, when I met the kids today who are not so privileged and they have got this platform where they can dance, they can show their talent out to the world, and also मतलब जैसे ये आज ये एक छोटा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि अगर वो टैलेंट को अपनी आगे बढ़ाते तो बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म्स तक भी पहुंच सकते हैं. एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव कम फ्रॉम गुड रियलिटी शोज एंड दोज आर रियली बिग प्लेटफॉर्म्स. So yeah, it feels, you feel like a very, very, very small part of that person's journey if the person makes it.
One last question, what is your message to the people who really want to come up in dancing, like, कभी कुछ लोग शर्माते हैं या जो whatever message you feel?
I mean, जैसे मेरा मानना है कि एक डांस को पर्टिकुलरली लेके कि जहाँ शब्द कम पड़ जाते हैं वहाँ डांस काम आता है, तो मेरा मानना वो है. और बच्चे वो जो एज है वो मोल्डिंग की एज होती है, तो उनको जो भी करना है वो ये एज में और यहीं से उनको जितना भी बनना है वो वहीं से बनना है. सो आकार अभी से मिलेगा उन्हें.
Project wise, what's happening next? क्या दे? Sorry, yeah.
I've just completed my Gujarati film, and the next film is starting in September. It is a rom-com, and the announcement will be really soon, maybe next week.
Hachal Dance with Joy, Daisy is here. We'll be going totally,
Crazy.
So what do you have to say?
So firstly, I think we're very, I won't say worried, scared, because we know what an amazing dancer she is, and she's an aerialist, and she's been training with our teacher Aditi for the longest time. So we're very worried about how we are going to fare on her meter of dancers.
I'm not here to judge. I'm here to just have fun.
Yeah, but that aside, it's very nice of her to come and support our event, and the whole point being that we're trying to bring these kids out of their shell, break their barriers, break their apprehensions, and put them on stage, make them happy in whatever way that we can. And I think this is a very beautiful way, because when stars like you come and do pictures with them, it makes them so happy.
Because she, thank you so much for making me a part of such an amazing
very
thing
kind
that
of
you're
you.
doing. Because finding to do something good in today's day and age is very difficult, and you're doing it, and again, like, making me a part of it. So I am super grateful here.
Thank you so much for being here.
Of course, dance is part of Joy, it's an extension, but this one is special because you have special children matches being associated with Dance with Joy with mentally challenged, special scenes done. What is your take on that? This is a brilliant dance.
Well, what I believe is, like, dancing doesn't have any language. You don't really have to put in your brains. It is a way to express yourself. Even though if you have two left feet, you're fine, because that is your way of dancing. And nobody, I repeat this again, nobody has this right to judge anybody saying कि इसको डांस नहीं आता. वो उसके टाइप का डांस है, तो उसको enjoy करो.
Yeah, that's beautifully said. That's so true.
Now you're a dancer yourself. Today she's organized such a beautiful event. What wishes would you like to give?
I just said it that I'm really grateful, and this is a great opportunity for me, because first of all, I've never been a part of such good cause where really I have visited a lot of NGOs, but something like this with dance, which I really like to do, is a different thing for me altogether. So I'm just looking forward for the night.
Thank you. I hope you'll stay and watch and enjoy the show.
Thank you very much. Didi, couple of more.